everyone! You know what's coming? October's coming, so the month of spooky, scary skeleton and ghouls and ghosts is at the door. So for those who've been around the channel for a while, you know that I'm not really into horror movies and gore. I mean, Resident Evil is as far as I'll put it. My imagination is way too big, so I'm really good at scaring myself already, thank you. I don't need no horror movie to remind me of how scary life can be. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and there's a lot of very wholesome and fun ways to go about it. From costuming to playing Luigi's Mansion with a friend, or watching some of your favorite Halloween special episodes. So, I present you with another fun and healthy way to celebrate the months of the spooks. Behold, it is the long-awaited return of SPOOKYMON! SPOOKYMON is a fun event where I invite many different artists to join me in a fun time where we create our own little critters. The concept is simple. 6 artists gang up together on the same canvas. Then, a set of random wheels is used to choose 2 types and 3 words. We then set up a 5-minute timer for reference and research because reference is what? Fundamental! Then when this is done, the 6 artists have 15 minutes to draw and create the monster. This is all done live, and we really appreciate all your actions and comments and weird commentaries that we're gonna read while we do that. So watch out for Twitter and Discord for future announcement about when and where we're gonna do these very cool streams. So thank you for always being part of this gorgeous channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye!